In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Steam VR error 451. You may have come across an error like this. It writes error 451. Let me show you a couple of solutions to fix this. The first thing you can try is go on your Windows icon, right click, go to settings. When this opens up, go to display. After that, scroll down, then open on graphics. After you do that, go on the arrow that says advanced graphics settings. Click down, then make sure you turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Turn it off, restart your computer, then after you do that, try it again. It might fix your problem. For mine, it still works when it's on, so I'm going to turn it on. If this doesn't work, you can try the second solution. The other thing you can try to do is to change your network settings. So what you have to do, just go on your Windows icon, right click it, go on network connections. After it opens up, go to your Wi-Fi. After you open on Wi-Fi, go to your Wi-Fi connection and then make sure you change it to private. After you switch it to private, reset your computer and try again. If you try these two solutions, it can easily fix your error you're facing. Hopefully it works.